Ano ko? Yeah, I'm here. Good afternoon. Ay, sorry, good afternoon. Good morning, eh. Ay, can you hear me? Yeah, I will share to you, ha. Wait, sa. Tira din naman, eh. Ila ka mapili kag pante. Ay, ang sila may dira or dira ni, na, mani. Okay, nge. So you have here. Okay, how are you today? You're
I'm
okay?
fine.
Mm-hmm. And then, how's school? Oh, why did I didn't have school in the morning? What time you will go to school?
In the afternoon, half past 12.
Oh, really? So you didn't have class in the morning?
Yeah,
Wow, every day?
yeah, every day.
And then what time you will go home in the afternoon?
Uh, 5:30.
12:30, 1:30, 1:30, 2:30, 34, 5 hours only class in school?
Yeah.
Wow, so, okay, so here let us talk about figures. Okay, look at this. Okay, so you only have few hours and you have Monday to, ano sa man, Jess? Kay ba, tanong yung asa mo sa po. Ah, di ba? Oh. Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday is your school only. I don't know. Monday, yeah. Monday to Friday, but it's only 9 months, right? Sana akong bitakang isa. Wait, wait, Nina. That's the best. Oh, ito na yung sakyan. Yata siya dyan, ang call. Ito sa angkol? Oh, kaya ito gusto. Para di na ako manawa mo. Sana eh. Right? Day. Okay, so we have here, okay, we have here nga, look at this one. So, wait, ano, unsa na ni? Wala na ni, sorry nga. Ang tabang sa atin lang, no? Wala. Asa ka? Ato ko mahirap ka na, ano? Ipanaog sa ang mangkuklog gikan sa kuan gikan sa ay wait lang. Okay, so we have here. Please look at this. Get ready. So before you read the passage, let us talk about these questions. Okay. Wait ha. So this passage is all about our stuff. It's figures. We are talking here figures. Okay, I will ask, what are some different ways to express numbers and figures? What are some different ways to express numbers and figures? What do you think? What are different ways to express numbers and figures? Oh, I
Numbers
cannot
and
hear you.
figures.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, numbers like numbers. What are some different ways to express numbers and figures? Figures are the name like 2000 dong. Oh, that's figures. Numbers is 2000 like that.
How about numbers? Numbers
Numbers like
is
numbers 2000 2000.
but numbers and figures I think it's the same.
Yeah, they're just same, but you have to write it. As in, you have to write it all. Two, what are the consequences if you mistakes in figures? Example, you mistakes on how you'll write the figures. What do you think are the consequences? Example, you mistakes. You have mistakes on it.
Mm,
What do you think? So if you have mistakes on your figures, what do you think will happen? Example, just for example,
Um,
you will gonna what?
I don't know. I think
I think what? Tell
it's too
me,
hard.
it's too hard. Of course, if you have mistakes in figures, the consequences, of course, is okay, your numbers will not also be the same. Okay, so you will be confused. What is the correct example? You will write there 1000 dong and you write in figure 2000 dong. So it will not match, right? Okay, so we have here, let us read this one. Staff. Okay, please read this one. Okay, and after you read, okay, you have to, after you read, you have to, I sorry, it's two. Okay, you read that one. Oh, sorry. Okay, that one. Okay, you read. Wait lang ha. We read. Day, Manilin. Nana ko yung mag-inquire karon. Bago na pang special. Okay, if you're done, you tell me ha.
Wait.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, so what is it all about?
I think it's about the sale figures is are are very low now.
Mm-hmm. They're talking about the sales figures. What do you mean by sales figures? It means what is it? Sales figures is what? It is what is sales figures?
It's like the number sounds maybe.
Okay, it's the number. Okay, sales figure, it's the number itself. Okay, so we have here. Now, so here, can you choose the vocabulary? Choose the word what that is closest in the meaning to the underlined word. What do you think is the closest meaning to official numbers? Official numbers. Underline 3 months and of course form of money. Okay, please try to take note.
Teacher, I do the exercise 3.
Oh
The
yeah.
tablet.
Number three, number three. You write
Oh
your
yeah.
answer in the chat. Three, number three, exercise three. Wait, okay. So, me, please, me, you answer. Then I will just get back on you. Done? Oh, you have the answer already. A, number one. Okay, figures, very good. The worst time, 3 months. What they meant? Okay, very good. 3 quarter. Okay, three. Many countries use their own form of money. What is that? It is letter B, currency. Yay, great job. Okay, so this one. Okay, so let us have this about dates. Okay, how to stay organized. Okay, example, you have a lot of things to do, like you're very busy. How you will gonna stay organized? How you will gonna manage your time? Or what you will gonna do me? You tell me. You tell teacher what you will gonna do for you to stay organized. Mane?
I make the schedule like what time I will do today and what time I will do my homework, and then I think um it's too busy, so I can do my schedule like mm, uh my my schedule like mm, and like I have to do it every day.
Okay, that's very good. So you have to track your schedule. What is my schedule for today? What will be my schedule tomorrow? So you have to track your schedule. What is the proper schedule? Okay, so here. Now, before that, let us answer this. How does technology help people to stay organized? Okay, so we are now in the modern technology. How do you think technology help people become organized? How? In what way? In what way you will become organized? Do you think? Yeah, 16. Okay. So how do you think does technology help people to stay organized? So we know already that we are now in technology age, and so a lot of people is most likely they are using like they're using technology as a form on how they will gonna schedule the deadlines and everything. So how do you think that? What do you think about that? Mhm. How you're gonna do that?
What
How you are gonna do that? Okay.
what
So how
yeah.
does technology help people to stay organized?
I think technology help like help people stay organized. It's it makes it's make people stay organized very fast, and it it helps them lives very tidy and faster than when we don't have technology.
Yes, of course. So it's just like if we have technology, it is quite easier for us to organize because probably we can book or we can have it in the calendar in our cell phone. You know, we have reminders. Okay, like
Yeah.
in Zelo. So in Zelo, we can add the reminder. Teacher N has a class with me at blah 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 like that. So you will be
Yeah.
right, you remember that one? Okay, now, yeah, have you ever forgotten about an appointment? Example, ha, you're gonna have an appointment. Have you ever forgotten about an appointment and how did it happen? Okay, wait me for a minute, ha. You think, and after a while, you tell me. Okay, thank you.
Cái đầu phước đức ba đời nhà cô mới được con trai tôi tặng quà cho đấy, chứ không phải là quý giá gì đâu mà nó phải cưng chiều cái lại hạ đẳng như cô. Đây là chiếc vòng nước mắt nhân ngư do ông Ryan đặc biệt tặng cho người mà ông ấy ngưỡng mộ. Ôi, anh Thư, lần trước á, con gặp Ryan ở bữa tiệc, có khi nào á cậu ta yêu con từ cái nhìn đầu tiên không? Dạ, con nghĩ chắc là như vậy rồi. Con quyến rũ thanh thuần như vậy mà ai chả mê. Món quà này á tôi sẽ nhận. Có gì cô cảm ơn anh giùm tôi nha. Người mà Brian ngưỡng mộ không phải cô đâu. Cô ngu quên ta. Không phải tôi. Chẳng lẽ là bà? Đúng vậy, là tôi. Không phải đắc bà chính là cái đồ. Kìa, con làm cái gì thế hả ghê? Người lỗi lạc như Brian mà còn mê đám anh Thư như thế. Con lấy được anh Thư là phúc phận nhà con đấy. Không cần phúc phận đấy. Em sắp ở một đẳng cấp khác rồi. Chắc chắn sau này em sẽ hối hận. Còn bà, con cho bà chiêm ngưỡng nước mắt nhân ngư trước khi bà quay về với cuộc sống bần hèn của mình. Ôi, đó là thú quý mê hoặc lòng người. Nhưng nó đã không có gì đâu á. Mắt nhân ngư.
Okay, so you have. So have you ever forgotten me in your life about an appointment? How did it happen? Like for example, your mom told you that yeah, we have a class, a literature class at this time, like 7 p.m. and you accidentally forgot what your mom told you. So have you experienced that one?
I just my mom. I got my mom. I just say sorry, and I will remember uh next time.
Yeah, of course. But I guess if you were in the Zelo, you cannot forget because there's a reminder, right? Am I
Yeah.
correct? Yeah, so it's quite possible. But you know, teacher N has a lot of mistakes when it comes to Zelo also because sometimes the first time I'm teaching Vietnamese that was 5 years ago. I'm into Vietnamese like 5 years already. And then the first time I had because I always been mistaken with this time frame, the VNT time and the PH time, because we are 1 hour ahead from you. So it's quite complicated in my part that somehow I could not, I forgot most of the time when will be the task, I when will be the schedule of the meeting. So that's my problem. But right now, of course, quite familiar, very, very familiar. Just somehow that I forgot when teacher is very busy. But of course, when you are in the Zillow, you will be reminded. So what are the activity? That's the great things I like in Zillow also. Okay. Now, so can you please me match the words with vocabulary 3 with the words with the definitions in A to F. Okay, so what do you think are the words here in letter A to letter F that will coincide with this one? Okay, go in. You think, and then you write your answer in the chat box.
Teacher, I do the vocabulary. Okay, okay. Okay.